Jerry, I came for my Jerry beat.
This is...
You'll forgive me if I don't shake your hand.
Hey, Jerry, I was wondering, what does an avatar whore go for these days?
Okay, this is for the Chris Brown reject. If you're a part of IMC record label, what does that stand for? Idiotic musicians on crack?
Say it first. Instead of sit down, crackhead Miley Cyrus.
Yeah, lesbian in a red dress. You want to be with a man, your ex-woman acts more than a man than he does.
Bigger than yours, too.
I just want to change your name from N.O.G to N.I.P. Knucklehead impersonating a pimp. And then, you trade the lesbian in the lesbian in for the Great Pumpkin? You need to iron. You need to iron your shirt. You need to go home and iron your shirt.
Knuckleheads with a K. Hello, Jerry. I just commented to the guy in the orange. You just turned down a lifetime of threesomes. I'm just saying. And to the N.O.G, I believe it is, that's a nice chain. Was that aluminum?
You look like you play computers, man. Look like Harry Potter.
This is for Miss Piggy up there. Now that Gonzo's dumped you, are you gonna go for Kermit next?
It's not my fault you look like a gay Kermit the Frog. I'm single. You want to go home with me? This is for you and the blonde thing on your head over there. You said Google you, so I looked up disease infested whore, and your page did come up. I Googled her too, and I got Dennis Rodman.
This one right here for the lady in the stripes right there. I swear to God, wish my son was here, because you look just like the lady from Ant. Okay.
Merry Christmas.
This one trophy Taylor over there. When you put your hands down the pants, did you find a beer?
Everything but. This Lydia from the Steve Harvey show. Why is he playing bullet? He's just as heavy.
Our producers have decided that you will take us into our break.
We'll be right back with Jerry's final thoughts.